Hi friends, my name is Milan Dolaria. In this video, I will explain you exercise 2.3 question number 7 and question number 8. So let's start it with question number 7. First of all, read this question. A car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. A car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 2 integer 3 by 4 liters of petrol? How much distance will it cover using 2 integer 3 by 4 liter of petrol? So first of all, we need to make one table, right? In that, here we have two position, here we have two position, right? That means one square box. Now in this, first of all, we need to decide what things we need to find, right? What things we need to find. Here, how much distance? Here we have two things, right? That is a distance and liters, right? Liter of petrol and distance. So we need to find distance. So here we need to put distance in second position. Whatever we need to find, that we need to put in second position. Okay, and another quantity, that means liters of petrol, that we need to put in first position. Okay, now first line. Here in first line, a car runs 16 kilometer using 1 liter of petrol, right? So liter of petrol, that is 1 liter of petrol use, that we need to put in first box. Now with 1 liter of petrol, there is a distance given, it is 16 kilometer, right? 1 liter of petrol, distance 16 kilometer. Now in second case, second line, how much distance? That means distance we need to find. So question mark. Will it cover using 2 integer 3 by 4 liter? So here we need to put 2 integer 3 by 4, right? So this is the way to make this table. First of all, whatever we need to find, that we need to put in second position, right? And other quantity we need to put in first position. So here always we need to have question marks. Now what is the method to solve this? This position, that means 2 integer 3 by 4 and 16, we need to multiply this. Okay, 2 integer 3 by 4 multiply 16, and this first position we need to put in denominator. Okay, so here 2 integer 3 by 4 and 16, we need to multiply it and divide by 1, that means our first position. Okay, always we need to follow this method, right? This that means this box and this box we need to multiply this, and with the first box we need to divide it. Okay, so here what we need to do? So finally, first of all, we need to make this table, and finally distance cover. Okay, distance covered is equals to 2 integer 3 by 4 multiply 16 divide by 1. Now here no need to divide with 1, right? Because answer is same, right? So we only need to solve our numerator. Now 2 integer 3 by 4, just convert it into the improper fraction. So here 4 to the 8, plus we need to add the numerator. So 4 to the 8 plus 3, 11 divided by 4. Okay, first of all multiplication, 4 to the 8 plus 3. So 8 plus 3, 11, and denominator 4 as it is. Okay, 11 by 4. Then multiply 16. Now nothing is present in denominator, so we can write 1. Okay, now we need to simplify this. So here we can do simplification, that means 4 for the 16, right? 4 for the 16. So finally 11 multiply 4, 11 for the 44, right? 11 for the 44. So our answer is 44 kilometer. Same unit we need to follow, that is given in the first line, kilometer. right? So 44 kilometer. That means at last we can write a car will cover 44 kilometer distance using 2 integer 3 by 4 liters of petrol. Okay, means we need to make one table. Whatever we need to find, that we need to put in second position, right? Then this two position we need to multiply, and we need to divide with our first position. Okay, this is the method of direct proportion. Okay, this method will you will understand in standard 8 chapter number 3, direct and inverse proportion. Okay, this is the case of direct proportion that you will understand in standard 8. Okay, now question number 8. Provide the number in the box such that here 2 by 3, then here one box, and answer is 10 by 30. Okay, now in numerator you just need to think in table of 2 where you can get 10, means which number you need to multiply with 2 so you will get 10. Now in table of 2 we have 2 5s are 10, right? 2 5s are 10, so 5 is missing, so we need to put 5 here. Okay, now same thing for the denominator. Okay, same thing for the denominator. Here we have 3, so just think about the table of 3. So 3 tens are 30, right? In right hand side we have 30, so 3 tens are 30. That means here we need to put 10, right? So our answer is 5 divide 10. Okay, 5 divided by 10. So first answer is 5 divided by 10. Then internally second question, the simplest form of the number obtained in the box is. Now simplest form of 5 divided by 10. Simplest form, here we can cut, right? 5 to the 10. So here nothing is present in numerator, so 1, and in denominator 2. So 1 by 2. This is the simplest form. Okay. So second answer is 1 by 2. Third question, that means a B and internal question number 1. Provide the number in the box such that 3 by 5 multiply box is equals to 24 divided by 75. So here we have 3 by 5. One box is present here. 24 divided by 15. Now just think about table of 3 where you will get 24. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, and 3 eights are 24. Right? So in this way you need to think. Here our answer is 8. Same thing for table of 5. So 5 threes are 15, because right hand side we have 15, that's why. So here we need to put 3, right? So our answer is 8 upon 3. Sorry, here I do one mistake here. Here is it is a 75, right? Here 75 is there. So again one box, 24 by 75. Here same thing 8, but here now think about 5 where you will get 75. So 15 5s are 75, right? 15 5s are 75. So here 15 is missing, so that I need to put in this box. Okay, so 8 by 15 is our answer. Now last question, the simplest form of the number obtained in the box. Now simplest form of 8 upon 15, right? Here we cannot cut anything from numerator and denominator, right? So 8 upon 15 remains as it is, right? 8 upon 15 remains as it is. We cannot do any simplification here. So this is the simplest form. So simplest form of 8 upon 15 is 8 upon 15. Okay. So here our exercise 2.3 is complete. If you have any doubt, so just write down in comment section. And if you have any suggestion, then even write down in comment section. Thank you so much.